when we think about the idea of these challenges, we can use something called a T-shaped assessment, which represents the intersection of that broad generalist skill and that deep specialist skill. So if you have a look here at this graph, what we're doing is we're balancing the soft and hard skills that really matter in addressing leadership gaps to help high performers to stretch and be more agile. So the I shape is where they're the expert in one thing, but the horizontal line is where they're capable in a lot of things, but they're not really an expert in any. And when we put them together, it forms a T, and it actually creates a really individual specific blueprint and a roadmap for them as a leader. So let's have a look at how the T works here. And that horizontal bar, as you saw before, it represents the broad skills across multiple areas, including the transferable skills such as communication, collaboration, critical thinking, adaptability, and intelligence. And those soft skills, as you know, really, really matter when it comes to leadership and being an effective leader. When it comes to the vertical bar, we think about how that deep knowledge and that expertise in a specific area, or I like to call their area of genius, it really indicates that high technical proficiency they have and also their ability to solve problems in that area of genius. So here, when it comes to that deep specialist role, they're probably also often referred to as the subject matter expert there.